Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing good and staying safe. Today I am going to share awesome recipe of chicken shami kebab, how to make and also freeze it for all month long. And also another recipe straight from the garden to the plate because next week we have frost warning. Now let's come to the recipe. Let's get started. I am going to make chicken shami kebab first. For that I have taken 2 handful of chana dal, nicely wash it. That is approximately half a cup. 1 large onion and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of chili flakes. So you can also add chili powder according to your spice level. 1 teaspoon of dhania powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder. Very simple ingredients. Do not add salt at this point. I have taken 1 kg of chicken boneless pieces. This is breast piece, and also I have added 1 large potato nicely peeled and washed. Finally, we will be adding 1 glass of water, a full large glass it is. You can see the water is little extra only than usual. We want it this way only. I am going to cook it in the pressure cooker. You can also cook it in open pot. There are 2 ways to cook, but today I will show you with pressure cooker, which is the easiest way. Keep it on high for first 5 minutes for the heat to nicely develop inside the cooker. Then after 5 minutes, put it on low flames. Low flames I will be cooking for 40 to 45 minutes. Until then we will go and clean up the garden and come. That and all I will share later on after the recipe is completely finished. Now after 45 minutes I have off the flames and leave the steam to rest. You can see how it is nicely cooked. Nice, this chana dal will be soft and tender that you can start cooking it, start mashing it up with the spatula itself. Now I have kept the flames again on high and start working on this. This is the important job in this whole recipe. 10 minutes time it will take. Break down all the big lumps of potato and this chicken. Chicken is breast pieces, so all the chicken pieces will become like string like texture in this. You will see in some time. With thigh pieces you won't get this string like texture. That is the reason we use breast pieces. Keep mashing it until all the liquid is completely evaporated. While mashing and stirring this only, you should also add the salt. At this point, do not forget to add the salt and also check the spice level. If you want to have more spices also, you can add, and garam masala also little bit you can add to enhance the flavor, fresh flavors. Keep on high flames and keep stirring until all the liquid is evaporated. That's it. That is more important. Do not overcook also. That will make your mix very dry. For very dry also I will give you a tip later on. Keep watching. Now at this point I will let it cool completely. After cooling also it will become more thick. See, it is now dry and thick. Now I will be adding little bit of mint and coriander leaves. Coriander you can add as much as possible. You can add at this point. You can also add raw onions also, but I am not adding raw onions here. After this, if it is too dry at this point, you can add 1 full egg also. Don't hesitate at all. Egg will give extra taste and extra juiciness inside your kebabs. At this point only you should also check the salt and spice level and fix it. After this, nothing you can change. The taste will be ultimate. These kebabs, I made it in India when I went on the vacation. Everybody were asking for the recipe. I told everybody that this will be coming on my channel. Definitely keep watching. See, like this string like consistency only we are always looking for. That is the beauty of this kebabs. You can make either diamond shape, oval shape, or even round shape like how I am making. This is the most easiest way. Make all the kebabs at one stretch like this and start frying them. I will show you how to fry and freeze also. These kebabs will stay for all month long or even longer than that. No worries at all. First I will be taking 2 eggs. This is also a must step. You cannot skip this step for making shami kebabs. I have nicely beaten the egg. Now you roll the kebab in this egg, dip wash, and then we will be frying it. How you will fry? You can shallow fry the kebabs. You can also deep fry, but shallow fry is the one which is perfectly working fine for everybody. Either it is kebab or even cutlets, shallow fry is the best. You can see instantly with 1 minute, not even a minute, I will flip it and take it out also. Why I am taking out instantly for not letting it fry means it is for freezing. You will take everything instantly. Don't let it fry brown itself. I will be taking all the kebabs in this consistency itself. But finally I will show you how I fry nicely, well done also, for instantly to show you all. One more important tip I would say, while frying these kebabs, cook it on medium to low flames. Do not keep on high flames at all, because the egg coating will burn otherwise. Especially frozen kebabs should be cooked on low flames only, so that they are cooked from inside too. See here, these are really very beautiful looking kebabs. Not only looking so beautiful and wonderful, they are tasting also yummy. Very, very tasty and juicy kebabs. See, all these are halfway done kebabs only. Now I will keep this plate as such. They are very soft and tender. I will keep it in freezer like that. Now these kebabs simply you can enjoy with some ketchup by the side of tea, or you can serve it with dal chawal in the afternoon, or you can serve it in party like extra kebabs variety, or also you can serve it as for tiffin boxes for your children, like for making small mini burgers, or simply by the side of salad, or for even for your snack time also you can use all these kebabs. That's how I make these kebabs in large batches and keep it in my freezer. See, now all these kebabs are frozen out of the fridge. Next day I am taking and showing you all this. See, they are nice and frozen. I will be keeping it in the Ziploc bag. Always name the Ziploc bag if you have different variety of kebabs and cutlets in your freezer. For me it is the same case. I have always made so many kebabs and cutlets and kept. That keeps my job so easy. Even when guests come, or for my kids' school lunch box, it is very, very easy for me. Like this, you name it chicken Shami Kabab, I will be writing on the pack, because already I have veg patties also in my freezer, as well as even chicken nuggets also I have, so I keep writing the names. Now let's come to the garden. See here, I have Malabar spinach, lot of Malabar spinach here and there growing. So we have next week fully frost warning. So I will be removing all the spinach and cooking it today for lunch. Likewise, I also removed full mint also same day. That I will be sharing in my next video. Mint also, I had whole lot of mint. Now Malabar spinach, I have brought all the Malabar spinach plugged from my garden, and I will be cleaning it and washing it nicely and make simple dal. It is a simple dal, Malabar spinach dal, which is very, very tasty, very healthy, and whole lot of iron content in this. You should always have this plant in your garden if you have little space also. See, I will be using onion, tomato, garlic and green chilies. You can see I have taken little extra tomatoes itself, because I will not be adding tamarind today. And also I will be adding little bit of methi leaves also. I have frozen methi, so I will be adding 2 cubes of that methi leaves. For this recipe also I will share. Already I have this recipe on my channel, I believe. This is tur dal. Here we will be adding all the cut vegetables which I showed. You have to add everything along with the spinach. This recipe is very, very healthy recipe which we often make at home. Now I am adding jeera, turmeric powder, chili powder, dhania powder, and asafoetida I will be adding, that is hing. Now you don't add salt for this also. For any dal variety you cook, when the dal is getting cooked, don't add salt. If your dal has to be very nice, soft and tenderly cooked. I am cooking it in my Instapot, so I will not be adding salt, and add enough water so that it doesn't stick to the bottom. That's it. When the pressure cooker is done, I'm just going to mash it with the spoon itself. If you have any elders at home and you want nicely finely grinded, you can also run the hand blender, which I usually do if my mother-in-law is at home. Now only I added the salt, and a hearty tempering is the must for this recipe. All the dal type of tempering is very good for this. I just added urad dal, mustard seeds, little bit of curry leaf, and asafoetida again in that with some chili flakes. That's it. I will be serving this dal along with brown rice. And by the side I will also add a cutlet. That's it. Hope you all like this video. If you like my videos, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Live tasty, be happy. Soon I'll be back with another awesome recipe. Until then, stay safe, take care and goodbye.